The head of the Office of Audit and Accounts subordinate to the Controller and Auditor General of India is. Answer C. Accountant General. From the following, which one is included in the term check? Answer A. Demand draft. All the treasuries of state of Kerala is under the administrative control of. Answer D. Director of Treasuries. All monies received with any court to the credit of any matter shall also be paid into. Answer A. Public account. From the following, which item of payment is included in the direct appropriation of departmental receipt to departmental expenditure? Answer D. Discount to stamp vendors. Who may permit withdrawal for any purpose? Answer B. Accountant General. Form TRI related with. Answer A. Certificate of transfer of charges. From the following, which claim related with salaries for payment without production of last pay certificate? Answer A. Salary of a person newly appointed into government service. The form of specimen signature card is. Answer A. TR 74A. All adjustment against the balance of the state by debit or credit to another government shall be made through. Answer A. Central Accounts Section, Reserve Bank of India. Who will authorize payment of any claim against another state when the Treasury officer receive or authorize the bank to receive money tendered on behalf of another state? Answer B. Accountant General. The responsibility for the proper functioning of treasuries rests with. Answer D. Director of Treasuries. The word treasury irregularity means. Answer A. When any irregularity committed by any treasury noted by Accountant General and brought to the notice of the Treasury Director. The Treasury Officer is responsible for keeping the accounts of the Treasury strictly in accordance with the directions contained in dash code or rule. Answer B. Kerala Account Code. The Treasury Officer shall verify the cash under his custody dash periods. Answer A. Once in every month. The Treasury Officer shall verify the deposit register at least. Answer B. At least once a quarter. The officer responsible for handling the money at a treasury is. Answer B. Chief Treasurer. The term notum related with dash subject. Answer the responsible person for handling the money. If the sub-treasury officer present at headquarters for a period of 7 days or more at a time, he shall prove the balance in the treasury dash during that period. Answer A. Once in every 7 days. In a non banking sub treasury, the district treasury officer shall verify the cash balance without prior notice in a duration of dash period. Answer B. Once in a month. The inspection of sub treasuries arranged by the Director of Treasuries at the duration of. Answer C. Once in 2 years. The district treasury officer shall conduct inspection of all sub treasuries in the district at least dash in an year without notice. Answer A. Once in an year. Each receipt and payment shall be posted in the cash book at. Answer C. At the time and on the date which they actually occur. If the Treasury officer, owing to the volume of sub Treasury transactions, finds it's difficult to scrutinize each and every sub Treasury voucher, a percentage check not less than dash percent being effected by him. Answer B. 20%. The monthly accounts of non banking sub Treasury should be closed at. Answer A. At the last working day of each month.